Do headlines run your portfolio? If media trends dictate your trades, attention bias could be draining your potential profits. Today, we uncover how limited attention forces investors to chase news-driven stocks and why that's a danger zone. Attention bias happens when investors focus on information that's easily accessible rather than digging deeper. Think trending companies, huge IPOs, or viral success stories. The problem? By the time headlines hit, the biggest gains may already be behind you. Example: remember the GameStop frenzy? Retail investors poured millions into the stock after media hype exploded. Some made money, sure, if they got in early, but most bought too late and experienced catastrophic losses that could have been easily avoided. It's a classic attention trap. Let's look deeper. When your trades revolve around news stories, you're playing someone else's game. Professional traders and institutions capitalize off FOMO, the fear of missing out, by dumping shares they bought early while retail investors fight over scraps. They're selling while you're buying. Another factor? We tend to ignore smarter risks in favor of hype. For example, stable companies with strong fundamentals might seem boring compared to media darling stocks. But guess which choice pulls better long-term returns? Hint: it's rarely attached to headlines. How do you avoid falling into this trap? Start by hitting pause. When a stock is trending, don't rush to jump in. Dig into data like financial health, revenue consistency, and future growth opportunities. Seek broad perspectives, not just the one shouting loudest. Focus on diversification. A portfolio stacked with trendy brands limits flexibility and increases risk. The stock that headlines love today could crash tomorrow, so hedge your bets by investing across industries. Finally, make consistency your mantra. Trading based on hype feeds emotional decision-making, which can drain your portfolio fast. Smart investing prioritizes long-term results, not late-night headlines. Ready to take control of your financial future and leave attention bias behind? Good. You'll thank yourself later. Tomorrow we dive into diversification failures and how they pile on risks for individual investors. Subscribe and follow to sharpen your focus, trade smarter, and make your portfolio bulletproof. Join the crowd, a free weekly newsletter to help you trade with the professionals.